In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to rename a Trello workspace quickly and easily. If you've recently rebranded, changed your team name, or just want to organize your projects better, updating your workspace name in Trello only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll see your home dashboard displaying your recent boards and workspaces. To begin the renaming process, select the workspace you want to update. You can do this from the left sidebar or from the main home view where your workspaces are listed. Click on the workspace so it opens and shows all the boards inside it. After selecting your workspace, click on any board within that workspace. This step helps you access the workspace context directly from inside a board. So go ahead and choose one of the boards that belongs to the workspace you want to rename. Once the board opens, you'll see the board interface with lists, cards, and the top navigation bar. Now, look toward the top area of the screen where the board name is displayed. Click directly on the board name. When you click on it, you'll notice that the name becomes editable. A typing option will immediately appear, allowing you to modify the text. Even though this is the board name area, it gives you access to adjust naming elements connected with your workspace structure, depending on your permissions. Once the typing field appears, go ahead and enter the new name you want to use. Make sure the name reflects your updated branding, team structure, or project category. Keep it clear and professional, especially if multiple team members collaborate inside this workspace. Take a moment to double-check the spelling to ensure everything looks correct. After typing the new name, simply click anywhere outside the text field. When you click away, Trello automatically saves the changes. There's no separate save button required. The update happens instantly, and your new workspace name will now be reflected across your Trello account. If you don't see the option to edit the name, make sure you have the proper permissions. You typically need to be a workspace admin to rename it. If you're not an admin, you'll need to ask the workspace owner to grant you access or make the change for you. And that's it. That's how you rename a Trello workspace in just a few simple steps. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a minute once you know where to click. Keeping your workspace names updated helps maintain better organization and clarity, especially when managing multiple teams or projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.